Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your L322's battery draining problem. If you have a buzzing noise coming from your climate control like this, and your battery keeps on draining, then you have a climate control fan working constantly. This will drain your battery. To remove your climate control unit, you would need to put your ignition on and put your gear on drive. Next, remove your panel from the side and slightly pull the climate control unit towards you. There is no screws or bolt holding the unit, so just pull the unit towards you. Once you remove the climate control unit, you will see and hear the working fan. This fan is constantly working, which is causing your battery to drain. Now to replace the climate control unit, you will need to remove all the wirings. Now for the removal of the connectors, you don't need to worry about marking them or labeling them, as they have their specific insert or is color coded. Make sure you pull the wire from the plastic part and not the wires, as it will cause a headache. It was a little hard for me to remove the wires as I was holding the camera in one hand and trying to remove the connector with my other. But it's a simple job if you're using two hands. Once you replace the climate control unit, you just simply have to push it in and you'll hear a clicking noise. And once you have put your side panel, you are free from battery drain. Now to test whether your climate control unit is working, lock your car and wait 15 minutes. After you have waited 15 minutes, get in your car and you shouldn't hear any buzzing noise. If you've liked my video, please make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.